Singapore Airlines first officer. Okay, are we clear for landing you? Yes, flight SQ37, all 206 passengers, but it is a long international flight. I hope the captain survived on unconscious in 10,129 feet. I guess so. Anything, I already contact the air traffic controller. Call with this as I will say the ATC mayday, 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 emergency. We got unconscious captain ATC. Okay, SQ37 clear to land with an emergency. Send emergency vehicles. All 206 passengers survived without injuries.